Just wrap your legs around these covers. Just wrap your arms across my engines. Together we can live with the sadness now. Love me with all the madness in my soul. Someday, girl, I'll
OneManOneCamera. This is an old video from either 5 or 6 years ago when I was in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Now, Siem Reap is also the home of Angkor Wat, a very old temple shrine. Now, I'm on National Road 6, which is a main thoroughfare in Cambodia, and I believe it runs from Siem Reap all the way to Phnom Penh. Now you're probably wondering, this guy's on a bicycle again? What's going on? Well, the hotel I stayed at was not near the main tourist area, and so they had bikes for guests to just hop on and ride around on. Fine. So I rode into the tourist area to drop off some laundry, and this is me returning to my hotel after picking my laundry up. That white bag in the bottom of the screen contained my laundry. And what's interesting is that this bicycle actually came from Japan, and then I remembered that Japan would send sometimes they would send their used bicycles over to some Southeast Asian countries. So when I got on the bike, I looked at it and it had a tag on it which had a Japanese address, which surprised me but didn't surprise me. So anyway, as you can see, this road is very smooth, but the people observing the traffic laws, it's not very, it was an experience. It was an experience, to say the least. So anyway, just kick back, relax, and watch the video. Now, the only downside besides the people not following the rules was that it was kind of dusty. If you notice, the side of the road is not paved over; it's just dirt. And after I finished riding, I did feel a little grimy from the dust. Now, I can't remember exactly what month I went to Cambodia, but it was hot, but it wasn't crazy, sweltering Southeast Asian heat. Overall, it was a good holiday. Went to Angkor Wat, took some pictures, made some videos and everything, ate some nice food, chatted with some interesting people, and had a great time. All right, you guys. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care wherever you are, and have a great day.
Oh, crap. Don't let the sun, go down on me. Don't let the sun. Dental clinic. I remember that. Man, make a wrong turn. Uh-oh. Absolute chaos. Jesus. Let's go chicken. Please don't crash. Oh. God damn.